Hello everyone. Good morning, all of you. Hope you are safe and safe at home, and you are taking care of yourself and your family members. In this crisis, it is very important that we should take care of ourselves and also all the family members. If any one of the family member is sick, then it will be a problem for all of us. So it's really important mm, to maintain the distance as per the guidelines of government has given some certain guidelines. And whenever the lockdown is, they are giving some relaxation in the lockdown. That doesn't mean that you have to just go outside. It's not like that. Take care of yourself. So in today's lesson, what we will do is we are going to start a new uh, chapter, that is magnetic effects of current. Now, magnetic effects of current will today, these two topics will try to do. This one, this magnetic field, magnetic field, field lines, then field due to current carrying conductor, right? Now when we talk about magnetic field की जब हम बात करेंगे, तो किस तरह का आइडिया है आपके दिमाग में? कोई एक जना बताओ, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड मतलब कैसे हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, और हाउ कैन वी एक्सप्लेन कि व्हाट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड?
So the magnetic field is the field where a magnet is placed in a place, then all the metal objects or the things which can be attracted by the metal. So there is a type of aura uh, or a radius through which all the metal objects could be attracted towards that
Yeah,
magnet.
very good, very good. Actually, you are saying it's a kind of aura. So let me explain you in a different way. Suppose I am having this particular area. Suppose this is a let me explain you in a different way. Okay, suppose this is your field, cricket field. This is a cricket field. There are three stumps and all here. Here all the players are there, and this is cricket field. If I am saying that you are inside the cricket field, means you are somewhere inside only. If I am asking you that, if I am having 2 points, one point is this one and another point is this one, and this point is say A and this point is say B, and if I ask you ki, who is inside the field, inside the cricket field?
A point.
A.
It's he is inside the cricket field, na? Now if I say that B is not inside the, B is not inside the cricket field, but he is somewhere near, he is somewhere near the cricket field, but he is not inside the cricket field. So how you say that he is inside the cricket field or not? On what basis you are saying that?
By the
Sir, can
boundary
you
of the
repeat?
By the
I'm saying
boundary.
that if I ask you, a question, B is inside the cricket field or not, you will say no, he is not inside the cricket field. You will say he is outside the cricket field. On what basis you are concluding this? That is my
Because
question.
the boundary,
By seeing the boundary
line
Yeah,
of the cricket
by
field.
seeing the boundary, yeah, there is a boundary there. There is a boundary, a clear-cut boundary is here for the case of any player or any person, whether he is inside the magnetic field or he is not. Right? Suppose let me tell you in a different way. Suppose I am having a magnet. Say this is a magnet, right? This is a magnet. मान लेते हैं, फिजिक्स में तो कुछ भी मान सकते हैं, तो मैंने ये मान लिया ये मैग्नेट है, ठीक है? अब ये मैग्नेट है तो मान लो मैग्नेट के दो पोल्स होते हैं, एक ये नॉर्थ पोल हुआ, ये साउथ पोल हुआ, ठीक है? अब now if I am saying that if I am having another piece of magnet or any iron filling which is having a magnetic property, anything cannot be attracted towards the magnet. If I bring this pen towards a magnet, it is made up of plastic. If I bring this pen towards a magnet, will that get attracted?
No.
No, sir.
It will not be attracted.
No, sir.
Right? Yeah. Now suppose I am having. Let me take a small thing. Something. Suppose I am having this is something metallic thing. It's a ferromagnetic substance. Yeah, naturally it is a ferromagnetic. Well, magnetic substance is divided into two categories, whether they are magnetic substance or they are not magnetic substance. For example, plastic. Plastic is not a magnetic substance. For example, iron. Iron is a magnetic substance. And again, in the magnetic substance, there are three types of magnetic substance. We are not going into detail of that, right? Now, suppose I am having this. This is a magnetic substance. ये स्टेपलर पिन का जो है ये आयरन का बना होता है नॉर्मली, ठीक है. Now, if I am bringing this pin towards this magnet, इसको तो magnet मान लिया मैंने, ये प्लास्टिक का नहीं है, magnet का है, ठीक है, magnet ही है. तो if I am bringing toward this and अभी मान लो इतने डिस्टेंस पर है, मान लो इतने डिस्टेंस पे है, इसमें कोई फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर रहा है. मान लो थोड़ा सा और पास आ रहा हूँ और पास आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन इस पॉइंट पर आने के बाद अचानक इसके अंदर एक ये फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करे कि कैसा फोर्स, एक अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स कि ये इसकी तरफ आ जाए, सीधे इसका पास आके चिपक जाए. तो यहाँ तो नहीं किया इतने डिस्टेंस पर, लेकिन इधर आने के बाद it experienced that force. So this point will be considered as a magnetic field, the field created by this magnet. I will explain you in a different way. See, can you see the magnet here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now there's okay. Now see this. If I'm keeping here, you can see there is there is a volume or a space surrounding this magnet. This is in 2 dimension. If you see in 3 dimension, so it will be up on top of this magnet also, and below this magnet also, the space is there. And wherever, if I am keeping one a small magnetic substance here, and if it is experiencing a force, then surely that point comes under the magnetic field. So all the material surrounding this will be the magnetic field. Jahan ja experience ka, wherever it experiences, wherever all those points where a magnetic substance experience a force, usko hum test charge bolte hain. So wherever that test magnetic charge is experiencing a force due to this magnet, all that space will be known as, someone was saying aura, all that space is known as the magnetic field. Now how to define that? You have to write now. Take out your copies. Take out your copies. Field length यहाँ बताया है उन्होंने. तो यहाँ पर the magnet, यहाँ पर है, देखो ये वाला, the magnet exerts its influence in the region surrounding it. तो यहाँ पर क्या किया है, therefore the iron filings experience a force. जो मैं iron filings, यहाँ पर मैंने स्टेपलर पिन लिया था, तो here they are talking about iron filings. The force thus exerted makes iron filings to arrange in a pattern. The region surrounding the magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected is said to be magnetic field. अभी सिर्फ ये लिखोगे आप, the region surrounding the a magnet in which the force of magnet can be detected is said to be magnetic field. ये है आपका definition magnetic field. इसको आप लिख लेंगे. You will write this now. Okay, I'll just give you two minutes. Magnetic field.
The region.
Yeah.
The region surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected is said to have a magnetic field.
Good. Now we come to the next topic, that is field lines. Field lines. Now again, when I come here, and you can see कि there are small. What are these small red and white things? Can you tell me? What are these small things?
Small magnets.
These are iron part. These are the magnetic field lines.
These are magnetic. We can, because magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. Okay, we can't see magnetic field lines. For example,
So magnetic field lines are positive or negative?
no, that depends in which direction you are talking about. That I'll just discuss now. Okay, now see, when I talk about When I talk about magnetic field lines, first thing you should know that suppose if I ask you to make if I ask you to make a sun, okay, sun, okay, can I, if I'm making a sun, or if you tell a small child to draw the picture of sun, how will he draw? He will draw like this. Then, of course, it will be a circle. Then after that, he will make something like this. Then he will say that this is sun. And you can also say that yes, this is sun. Normally, we draw the sun like this only. If a child is drawing just like this, and if he is saying that this is sun, can this be sun? You tell me.
Yes, sir.
No,
It
sir.
can be or it cannot be. No, it can be or it cannot
By
be.
terms, but
That depends
that
on.
side it would be a circle.
Because if you see, actually, if you raise your head and see the sun, actually now if you see the sun, then can you see these things? Can you see these things?
No,
No,
sir.
we can't.
What
No,
are these things?
No,
What are
sir.
these? What are these
No,
things?
these are
sir.
sun rays. Sun rays.
These are
Rays.
these are
Sun
sun
rays.
rays, and
Sun
sun
rays.
rays are actually sun rays we can't see.
Infinite.
It is an imaginary lines. They are imaginary lines actually. They are imaginary lines. Normally, if you go to class 12 na, and if you see ki how actually light travels like this, like this. Actually, light travels like this only.
Sir, waves.
It expands like that, and they are known as wave fronts. No need to
Sir, light is
understand
a
them.
wave or a particle.
It is
Dual
wave also. It
nature.
has a dual nature. It has a dual nature. है ना? It
It
is
follows
particle
quantum
also.
theory.
It is
Wave
wave also.
particle
It has a
duality.
dual nature. Wave particle quality. Right. Now, what
So it
I mean
follows
to say that
quantum theory.
you understood this point now. Now, when I talk
Yes.
about this, now when I talk about the magnet and I say that what are these things? So these, if I place small iron filings here, iron filings, if I'm keeping like this, they become small magnets only like this. So we can say that these are small compass needles, small compass needles. And if I bring a real compass like this towards this place, see how it is showing. This is, what is the white color and what is red color?
So red color is north pole.
This is
White
North
color is
Pole,
south.
but
White
this
North pole
is
is
South Pole.
red color is North
Uh,
pole.
Yeah, here it is North Pole and this is South Pole. So if you are bringing here, then you can see that see the alignment, how it is moving. See the alignment here, see the alignment if I am bringing here. So it is actually tracing this path only. Can you see? It is tracing this path only. Now, if suppose I am having a pencil, now what I'll do, because it's an imaginary part. So if I keep an actual magnet here on the paper, suppose I'm keeping a magnet here, I have a compass needle and I'm keeping it here. Okay, I'm keeping it here. Then with a pencil, I'm putting a dot here towards this point. I'm putting a dot here, right? Now again, I'm keeping here near that dot. Then I'm keeping a dot here. Then again, I'm keeping a dot here. It's turning like this. Then again, I'm keeping a dot here. It is turning like this. Then I'm keeping a dot here, placing a dot here, then again dot, again dot, again dot. Then you will find that it is you. If I'm taking this off and when I see the dots are something, sorry, the dots are something like this. Hai? The dots were something like this. So this line which was formed, the imaginary line which was formed, they are known as magnetic lines of force. If you freely suspend, you have to freely suspend that magnetic substance, the magnetic needle, and then if you see it is following certain path by nature only. By nature only it is following a certain path. I am not doing anything here. This is by nature only it is following a certain path. That certain path which is it is following those lines. Those lines we are saying that they are magnetic lines of force. Now see, magnetic lines of force, it is not that this here one magnetic line of force, here another magnetic line of force. It is not like that. it can be changed. It can be changed if we increase the magnitude of the magnet. Suppose the strength of the magnet I'm increasing. Suppose I'm increasing the strength of magnet further. Now see, the alignment has become more. And if I'm just doing like this, the magnetic strength again, it becomes the magnetic strength. You can see the intensity of this one. The magnetic strength becomes weak actually. And also the magnetic lines of force, also the number of lines of force per unit area also becomes more. Here it is not shown here,
Flux,
but it becomes more.
magnetic flux.
हाँ, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, राइट। अब देखो इसमें मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स, जैसे यहाँ पर किताब में दे हैड गिवन these are iron filings. See, they are just like small magnets only, small compass needles. These are small, and this is an iron filing, and iron filing के ऊपर you had kept a magnet, then they take this shape, and this shape is only due to the magnetic lines of force. See, here they are saying also the iron filings arrange themselves in a pattern as shown in figure. Okay, why do the iron filings arrange on such a pattern? Why does the pattern? What does this pattern demonstrate? The magnet exerts its influence in the region surrounding it. Therefore, the iron filings experience a force. तो उसके बारे में, उसके बाद हमने मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की बात की थी, ठीक है। अब मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स को कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, कोई बताओ।
सर मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बोलो।
Magnetic field lines are the imaginary lines which represent the direction of the magnetic field of a magnet.
Magnetic lines of force. Then you draw this figure.
Sir, done.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, magnetic field line do not intersect each other.
No.
Sir, why?
वो प्रॉपर्टी होती है इसकी, वो प्रॉपर्टी इसकी ये होती है कि जब हम ये बोलते हैं कि मैग्नेटिक कोई भी एक पॉइंट लेते हैं, एवरी मैग्नेटिक कोई भी एक लाइन लेते हैं, वो लाइन जो है डायरेक्शन दिखाता है। दैट लाइन रिप्रेजेंट्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट दैट पॉइंट, एनी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट।
सर एक पॉइंट पे दो डायरेक्शन तो हो ही नहीं सकता।
हाँ, एक पॉइंट पर अगर मान लो एक और लाइन अगर हम इस पे यहाँ पर इंटरसेक्ट करा दें, तो वहां पर क्या दूसरा वो वाला पॉइंट में का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा, वो दूसरा डायरेक्शन अगर मानेंगे तो एक पॉइंट पे दो डायरेक्शन तो हो नहीं सकते। टेंजेंट दो डायरेक्शन हो नहीं सकते, नहीं, एक पॉइंट पे दो टेंजेंट हम नहीं बना सकते। दो टेंजेंट भी बनेंगे तो वो कौन से टेंजेंट होंगे, वो सेम टेंजेंट्स होंगे। जैसे एक सर्किल लिया, एक सर्किल में मैं एक टेंजेंट बना रहा हूँ एक पॉइंट पर, उसी पॉइंट पे मैं दूसरा टेंजेंट नहीं बना सकता। बना सकता हूँ क्या?
No, sir.
नहीं बना। बिल्कुल वैसे ही ये अगर ये दो लाइंस अगर मैं इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब वो दो डायरेक्शंस होगी, तो दो डायरेक्शन तो हो नहीं सकती। एक्चुअल में दो नहीं है, वो एक ही डायरेक्शन होगा। तो ये इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन। सी दिस पॉइंट, the relative strength of magnetic field, that point I was telling you कि ये आपने एक लाइन यहाँ बनाया, उसके बाद अगेन सेकंड लाइन you made, there's a distance between these two. If I make one more line here, if I make one more line in between these two lines, that shows that the intensity has become more of the magnet. The relative strength of the magnetic field is shown by the degree of closeness of the magnetic field lines. The field is stronger, that is, the force acting on the pole of another magnet places is greater where the field lines are crowded. So, अच्छा, यहाँ पर वो वाला पॉइंट भी आ गया जो अभी किसी ने डिस्कस किया था।
So can you explain it once again?
No, what I'm saying is that the relative strength जो होता है ना, रिप्रेजेंटेशन जब करते हैं और वैसे भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, जैसे एक ऐसे बना दिया मैंने, ठीक है, चलो मैं बना के दिखाता हूँ। मान लो मेरे पास एक मैग्नेट है, ठीक है, एक मैग्नेट का तो मैंने ऐसे बना दिया। एक मैग्नेट का मैंने कैसे बनाया, ये मान लो नॉर्थ है, ये मान लो साउथ है। So I am making like this, then I am making like this. So the next line, it is not intersecting, okay. The next line I am making like this, okay. and the next line I'm making like this. So this is representing where will the direction will be from north to south, like this, no? Like this, and here it will be, it will not intersect, and here it will be like this, and here it will be like this, right? And here in the opposite direction it will be like this, अंदर की तरफ जाएगा ऐसे, और ये भी अंदर की तरफ ही ऐसे जाएगा, ठीक है? Now if I make another magnet, suppose now what I'm doing is I'm keeping very close. Suppose I'm keeping very close. Here it was so far here. Now suppose I'm keeping very close here. And one more line, say I'm doing like this. Again, what is happening? The direction, suppose this is north and this is south. The direction will be this only. The direction will be like this. Okay. Now this is very close. Now the lines are very close to each other. डेंसिटी जो है अगर मान लो ये एक एरिया ले लो, इस एरिया में तो एक ही है कि ये वही एरिया यहाँ तो 3 है, तो अब यहाँ डेंसिटी की बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पर डेंसर है, ज्यादा डेंसर है। तो ज्यादा डेंसर किसका होता है?
ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं जो मैग्नेट।
हाँ, ज्यादा कब होता है? जब जिसका ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा। यही बताने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि
जितना दूर जाएगा उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, लेकिन पास होने से ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है ना सर?
पास होने से ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, और ये ज्यादा दूर तक भी जाएगा। फिर ज्यादा दूर तक भी इसका स्ट्रेंथ जो होगा, इसका जो ऑरा जो बोल रहे थे, इसका जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होगा वो ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस करेगा, ज्यादा दूर तक जाएगा,
3D स्पेस में ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस बनाएगा।
So two lines are found to cross each other. If they did, they would mean that the point of intersection, the compass needle, ये इसकी बात नहीं कर रहे थे, इसकी बात करते हैं। The relative strength of the magnetic field is drawn by the degree of closeness of the magnetic field, the field lines. The field is stronger, that is the force acting on the pole of another magnet placed is greater where the field lines are crowded. तो ध्यान रखना है आपको, ठीक है? अब इसको लिखना है, एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ उसको, ठीक है? वो साउंड स्लो आएगा, कोई बात नहीं, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा। नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ कि आपको होमवर्क में करना क्या है। आपको होमवर्क में ये मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स, इसको डिफाइन करना है। डिफाइन का डेफिनेशन आप लिख लोगे उसका, और प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स, ये दोनों कर लोगे?
यस सर।
ठीक है, ये 2 ही करने हैं आपको। इतना 2 करने के बाद ये वीडियो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, ये वीडियो आप अच्छी तरह देखना, फिर मैं कुछ एक ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप 2-3 क्वेश्चन मैं इसमें असाइनमेंट में दूंगा, उसको आप कर लोगे। तो वीडियो को ध्यान से देखना होगा। ये अगले टॉपिक का वीडियो है, ठीक है? अगले टॉपिक हम इसके बेसिस पे करेंगे, तो ये वीडियो ऐसे दिखा दे रहा हूँ। उसके बाद
the right hand thumb rule.
Today, the relationship between electricity and magnetism is well established. We know that electric currents can generate magnetic fields, as in a solenoid, and conversely, magnetic fields can induce electric currents, as in electric generators. The first experiment that demonstrated this relationship was performed by Hans.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
it
it
is low.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Christian Ørsted in 1820. In this video, we replicate this famous experiment. Ørsted needed a magnetized object to make his experiment, and he used a compass. A compass like this. You can see how it points to the north, which is that direction. However, we will use for our replication of Ørsted's experiment neodymium magnets. I have here 4 magnets that are fixed to a needle, and they are put in this base so they can move freely. However, this also forms a compass. You can see how they point also in the direction south-north. You can move it and it returns to the same direction. And I will use this base that has a copper wire here that passes just above the magnet. I'm going to align the wire with the direction of the magnets, and I will make pass a current through the wire to see the effect on the magnets. I'm going to connect this 6-volt battery to the wire to see what happens with the magnets. You can see how the magnets move and align perpendicular to the direction of the electric current. And this demonstrates the interaction that exists between the electric currents and magnetism.
जल्दी से कोई बता दो तो क्या हुआ था?
सर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट
कोई
पास
जन-
करने से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन चेंज, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हुआ।
मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हुआ, ये कैसे प्रूफ किया हमने?
वो कॉम्पास घूम रहा था ना जो नीचे।
कंपास घूम रहा
सर
था, क्योंकि
डिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा था
कंपास
सर,
तभी घूम-
डिफ्लेक्शन
Yes.
सर डिफ्लेक्शन
डिफ्लेक्शन एक कंपास नीडल की अगर हम बात करें, suppose I talk about a compass needle, there is a compass needle here. This compass needle will give deflection only with this will give deflection only when it is near a magnet. मान लो इसको बहुत दूर रख दिया और यहाँ पर कहीं रखा तो ये इसके इन्फ्लुएंस में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन जब मैं इसको अभी देखो ये इसके इन्फ्लुएंस में आ गया। अब मान लो मैं इसको फील्ड मीटर की जरूरत नहीं है, अगर मान लो मैं इसकी पोलैरिटी को फ्लिप कर देता हूँ, ये पोलैरिटी मैंने फ्लिप कर दी, ये देखो ये पोलैरिटी फ्लिप कर दी, मान लो मैं इसको यहाँ रखा मैंने। नाउ सपोज आई एम फ्लिपिंग द पोलैरिटी, सी आई एम चेंजिंग द पोलैरिटी, तो मैग्नेटिक का डायरेक्शन इज चेंजिंग। So this is only possible when which is near the magnet. If in place of this I am keeping some wood and all, will it get the same influence, or will it change its direction or something? Will it move? It will not move. It is only possible compass needle moves, या compass moves, या any magnetic substance will move only when nearby there is a magnetic field. So in this video,
Today, perpendicular to the direction of the electric current.
see once again, see what is
I'm
happening.
going to connect this 6-volt battery to the wire.
So initially this is a magnet only, है ना? इसको there are 4 magnets and they are aligned together. Now it becomes only one magnet. Okay, it becomes like one magnet only. Okay, now this magnet is suspended. Suspended means they had shown कि it is just it can move itself if any magnetic field is there or not. ये stuck एकदम वैसे नहीं है, fixed rigid नहीं है, ये थोड़ा सा move कर सकता है. He had shown it also. Now in the next stage,
What happens with the magnet?
the earlier stage, what happened? Earlier stage there was no magnetic field. Now there was no magnetic field. बोलना सही है क्या? Earlier stage में
With the
बताओ तो। मैंने बोला earlier stage में there was no magnetic field, तो magnetic यहाँ पर अभी magnetic field नहीं है क्या कोई?
है
तो
उस
field
मैग्नेट का है,
लेकिन इतना नहीं है
कॉम्पास
कि
की तरह घूम रहा है।
मैग्नेट घुमा सके।
बोलो फिर से बोलो, I didn't understand.
सर द मैग्नेट दैट इज वर्किंग एज अ कॉम्पास, उसका जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो तो है ही।
हाँ, लेकिन अभी यहाँ बाहर एक्सटर्नल कोई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है क्या?
नो
यस,
अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड।
अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, गुड। अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के कारण ये ऐसे अलाइन हो रहा है। देखो जब यहाँ पर ये सेट कर रहा था ना, इसको देखो यहाँ दिखाता हूँ, ये यहाँ पर सेट कर रहा था जब,
north, you can move it and
See,
it controls
so when he is moving,
direction.
यहाँ पर जब वो मूव कर रहा है तो अलाइनमेंट जो है ना एक ही डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है इसका, देखो ऐसे ही हो रहा है बस। इवन जब यहाँ पर इसने जब रखा है,
Base that has copper wire here that passes
नाउ सी हियर ही इज कीपिंग लाइक दिस, ये अलाइनमेंट जो है ना वो वैसे ही है, इसलिए इसने
wire.
वायर को अपने एपरेटस को ही ऐसे चेंज कर दिया, क्योंकि वो जो अलाइनमेंट आया था, दैट अलाइनमेंट वाज ड्यू टू अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के कारण। ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो वो तो अर्थ के मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के कारण था, लेकिन अभी ये क्यों हो रहा है? ये हो रहा है क्योंकि इस वायर में अभी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, तभी ये हो रहा है। तो व्हाट डज दैट कंक्लूड? टेल मी एनी वन ऑफ यू, व्हाट डज दैट कंक्लूड?
सर करंट प्रोड्यूसेस
सर जब हम लोग
So current
Yes, yes.
produces magnetic field.
जब भी हम
सर अगर हम लोग
conclusion is that whenever current is flowing in a magnet, whenever current is flowing in a copper wire, in any wire, not only copper, in any wire a magnetic field is always produced, and that magnetic field का direction क्या होता है, magnitude क्या होता है, किस तरह से flow होता है, उसके बारे में we will talk in the next class. तो ये जो experiment जो सबसे पहले जो किया था वो किसने किया था?
Hans Christian Oersted.
ऑर्स्टेड पहले पेज में ही आपका, हाँ, ऑर्स्टेड ने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था. ऑर्स्टेड ने ये पता किया था कि हाँ, जब भी करंट फ्लो होता है तो उसके आसपास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रहता है.
सर वो तो एक्सीडेंटली हुआ था ना सर.
हाँ, एक्सीडेंटली हुआ था.